So what is a third-party process? A third-party process is a series of plan reviews and inspections here at our plant in Blairsville, Georgia, to ensure that a building meets energy codes, electrical codes, and plumbing codes for a specific project location. Once the building arrives on site, it'll have a state insignia and it will ensure that the building is ready to be occupied.
The third-party review and inspection process is very important for modular structures. Not only does it ensure we're building to meet the applicable building codes, but also ensures we are meeting our quality control standards within our facility. It is required in numerous states and jurisdictions depending on product line, applicable codes, and standards. We do this in order to guarantee that we are meeting the needs of your project and your local inspector's needs. We work with numerous states and third-party agencies to ensure we are compliant on all levels. If you have more questions about that, our team would be happy to talk that through with you and dive into that process.
It applies to any modular building that is pre-assembled, also known as factory assembled, whether it's panelized, welded steel. And it's a very important question to ask your clients if it's required or not. You can ask the customer the critical question: does your local building official require this unit to be approved through the state's manufactured buildings program? If it does, that's no problem. Please give us a call and let us solve your customer's space needs.